So this is the way you sew two pieces together. Let's say that this is the beginning of your headband and this is the end of the headband. So you already knitted the whole band and you want to put the beginning with the end. So now what you want to do is that pick up, hold your strands so they don't go anywhere, and you're going to pick up the first stitch as if to purl. So hold on to all the yarns here. So now you're going to pick up that first stitch from the other side, from the small part of the stitch. See that V there, and then go on this stitch as if to knit, take it off and pick up the next as if to purl, and then go and pick up one from the back, that whole stitch. So again, go into that stitch as if to knit, take off, go into the next one as if to purl, and pick up a stitch from the back. So now go in there, pick it up as if to knit, take it off, and go into the next one as if to purl, and pick up one from the top, and then again pick up that one as if to knit, take off, next as if to purl, and pick up from the other side, go in as if to knit, take off, next as if to purl, and pick up one from the top, and so the next one as if to knit, take off, next as if to purl, and then pick up